thrift store Tuesday, recording with a cyber shot that I found in a thrift store, a Sony cyber shot. Ooh, almost crashed the car. So we're off to the thrift store. This camera only records in 720p, but I just wanted to test it out and see the colors, if it looks better than the Osmo DJI action camera. So we're off to the thrift store. Then I gotta get lunch real quick. Hopefully we find something delicious in the thrift store. The audio is coming straight out of the camera. Everything's straight out the camera. Yep. So let's see what we find. I'll switch over to the DJI when we get there. So see you guys there. Alright, now we're using the action cam, and we're gonna go inside and see what we find today. Alright.
Bienvenido. Valioso cliente. Escanee sus artículos uno a la vez, colocándolos en bolsas. $19.99.
Wow.
Seleccione una opción de pago. Deslice o inserte su tarjeta. Siga las instrucciones del PIN. Gracias por comprar con nosotros.
What we got? Whoa. This was a prime lens made in Taiwan. I think it's worth more than $20. I didn't get to see it on eBay, so don't really know the value of it, but I'm assuming it's more than 20 bucks. It's in good condition. What do you guys think? I don't know. Might have gotten got today. I don't know. I don't really know the price of it, the resale value. But let me know if you guys know what the price of this actually goes for. I found some on eBay, but they had the zoom lens. This one's a prime lens. The zoom lens was $20 or something like that. So I assume this one's more expensive. An expensive camera. I'm still not sure of the price. Like, what do you guys think this was worth? Like, Sure Shot ES. It has the prime lens. I think it's 3.8, 3.5. I got Kev texting me. What he said? I sent Kev the photo. Let's see what he says. What are you sending me? $59.99. Not a big score, not a win. $59.99. Oh no, that's the max. That's not the one I have. He sent me the Sure Shot Max. That's a 3.5. This is the Sure Shot ES. What does the Max have? I think the Max is a 3.5, and this one is it's also a 3.5. Almost the same thing. It's probably the same thing. ES, Max. So $60 camera. I paid $20. Not a come up, because also you gotta count the gas and the time that I spend going to the store. You know, time is money, and I waste a lot of money and time. We got the Canon Sure Shot ES from the thrift store. $20. I think they're catching on to me. They're putting all these high prices. I'm seeing if I bite. I like it when they put the really expensive cameras for $3, and then the ones that are not expensive, like this one, $20. It's crazy. Yeah, like some other plastic. Like as soon as I was leaving, there's another guy who went straight into the cameras. So there's definitely other guys like just buying to flip cameras. I don't buy to flip unless if I'm looking to like upgrade my gear. Like maybe I want to purchase a lens. I'll sell some of my cameras, film cameras, and try to cop a lens. So I ordered lunch, and now I'm headed back to work, and it's snowing like crazy now. Well, it's not as bad. Like, this is New York. This is nothing for New York, and like upstate. If you live in Boston or Albany, this is nothing. New York City, it's alright. Okay, I think I'm gonna focus. Like I said, my sister's gonna be going to Dominican Republic on Thursday. She's leaving, and I'm gonna lend her my Canon WP1. I'm gonna put some portrait 400 in there for her, and she doesn't shoot like film. I don't think she's ever shot a film camera. So this is going to be an experience for her, and hopefully she doesn't lose my camera underwater. Like, a fish doesn't swallow it or some shit. She's going to be jet skiing, all the typical BS she always does. Riding horses, jet skiing, ATV. All the fun stuff I don't get to do. All I do is work. Only fun thing I get to do is shovel snow. You know? Whatever. So, I'm collecting a lot of point and shoots. Remember to let me know what camera I should give away, and then I'll do a giveaway video. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. It's Epic35mm, like 35mm. Epic35mm. That way. So, hope you guys like the video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe.